Hey y'all, down here in the bottoms, old creek bottoms down here, western Kentucky. It's a mess down here, but it's dried out a little. My dad's down here getting trees that fell in the creeks so it'll drain. Got farmland up the creek there, and gotta try to keep it drained. I found a bowl, old plastic bowl down here. Old stuff washed from everywhere down here. That water gets up. Just old plastic bowl, but I thought it was neat. Thought I'd show y'all. It says Texas wire. Dallas, Texas, USA. Plastics Manufacturing Company. That's pretty cool. Go home and clean that up. That'd make a good cat food bowl or something. Pretty cool anyway. Later, y'all. I'm still down here in the bottom, walking around. I saw some mushrooms earlier. I was gonna take a little video of, and I'm looking for them. I can't remember exactly where it was, but look down here. Anyway, I'll show you this tree here. Tree roots. There's a big old worm right in front of my finger there. Big old caterpillar. On that old green moss. Kind of like that one I saw the other night there at the house. Look a little different. Looks like he might be eating on that moss, I think. That's what it looks like he's doing. Ain't that cool? Later. Alright, I spotted them mushrooms I saw coming in here. Don't watch where I'm stepping through here though. Cottonmouths. Yes. Shelf mushrooms. They're pretty dry, but just thought I'd show them to y'all anyway. Pretty cool. Hey y'all, I just got a bucket of soapy water there. I got another one of these WMF Kidder New York bottles. Old corkers. Still got some label and stuff on it, but not much. But I'm just gonna let it soak in here a while. I just cleaned one up earlier and it cleaned up real good. I just thought I'd show y'all what I was doing there. And maybe show y'all what it looks like after it's cleaned up. See how it does. Later, y'all. Well, I got that bottle out of here. Got something else soaking in there now, but there's that bottle all cleaned up. Got one little line of rust or something inside of it there, or something. I don't know what it is. I hadn't tried to get it off. Ain't too worried about it. But boy, didn't that bottle clean up good. That's just amazing. All the bubbles in it. See all the bubbles in the glass? I think these is late 1800s, I think. Been a while since I researched them. I can't really remember. But I got a new cork that I put a little color on. I'll check it out. Won't that look good in there? Pretty awesome. Yeah, the cork was just white looking. It's so new, you know. Put that little orangish brownish stain on it. Wiped it off. That's pretty cool. Hey y'all, appreciate you. Later. Alright y'all. Been hunting stuff in the fields, you know how it is. But I come out here, look what I found out in the grass. My dad lost this thing. It's probably been 2 or 3 months ago, 3 or 4 months ago. But I done picked it up, and I thought, hey, I probably ought to make a video out of this. But y'all check this out. Now ain't that something? Ain't that something? I can't believe that thing still works. Anyway, that's amazing. Later, y'all. Alright, y'all. I took this over to my dad. He said it'd been about 5 or 6 months since he lost that. So I thought we'd try it out here. Look here. These things been right in my way every time I come through here. Oh yeah. My God. Shoot, yeah, man, I don't have to worry about hitting that no more, will I? Yeah, he said, you take that. I done bought me a new one. I'll take it. Later, y'all. There y'all. Here in Kentucky. But I stepped out the door and all I could see was a tail. Something getting a drink down there in the swimming pool cover. Anyway, it's a skunk. I don't know where he went. He's still there. He's right there at the tip of my finger, right over that rail. He's taking his time, ain't he? He probably hears me talking and trying to hide. I'll be real quiet here. Oh yeah, there he is. I think he'll back up. Oh shit. Hey y'all, hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving, and that's a pretty cool find. I got the battery charged up now, so it cuts really good now. But anyhow, sure do appreciate y'all. Later.